PDFs are one of the most widely used file formats in the world. But, like any tool, they have their advantages and disadvantages. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of PDFs so you can decide when and how to use them effectively in 2025. Let's start with the pros. First and foremost, PDFs preserve formatting. No matter what device, software, or operating system you use, a PDF looks the same everywhere. This is especially important for resumes, contracts, reports, and professional presentations where layout and fonts matter. Another major advantage is universality. PDFs can be opened on almost any device, Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS, without needing the original program that created the document. This makes sharing files simple and reliable. PDFs also support security features. You can password protect files, restrict copying or printing, and apply encryption. Digital signatures allow you to sign contracts or official documents electronically, making PDFs ideal for business and legal use. Collaboration and annotation are easier than ever. Many PDF readers now allow multiple people to highlight text, leave comments, or add notes. This is great for teams reviewing documents or students working on group projects. Another pro is file compression and conversion. PDFs can be compressed to reduce file size for emailing or uploading. You can also convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or image files for editing purposes. OCR, optical character recognition, allows scanned PDFs to become searchable and editable text. Now, let's look at the cons. One downside is that editing PDFs can be tricky. While tools exist, editing a PDF isn't as straightforward as editing a Word or Google Docs file. You may need special software or online services, which can be limiting for beginners. Another con is large file sizes, especially for image-heavy PDFs. High-quality scans, charts, or images can make PDFs bulky and harder to share without compression. Some users also find that collaborating on PDFs isn't as smooth as real-time documents like Google Docs. While comments and annotations are possible, multiple people editing the same content simultaneously is limited compared to cloud-based documents. Finally, PDFs can require extra tools for advanced features. Things like form creation, e-signatures, or OCR may require paid software, which can be a barrier for casual users. In summary, PDFs are excellent for preserving formatting, sharing universally, securing documents, and annotating files. But they can be harder to edit, sometimes large in size, and less convenient for real-time collaboration. Knowing the pros and cons helps you decide when a PDF is the right choice. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.